What's up everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another mall unboxing and review video. This time we have the GeminiJets American Airlines A321 in the Allegheny Retro Special livery. So American Airlines used to have these aircraft, or this special livery on an A319, along with the America West, the PSA, and the Piedmont. But now they're all on the A321, and GeminiJets has released all of them now. So I'm going to be doing a video on each one individually, but I was really hoping that NG Malls would have been the one to do them, but GeminiJets released them, and I just didn't want to miss the opportunity to get them, all four of them. So we're starting off here with the Allegheny one. You'll see the next four or the next three in separate videos in the future, but yeah, here we go. Here's the Allegheny one. This is number 579 Uniform Whiskey. And there is the aircraft. There's the information. Standard GeminiJets box. This was released in 2024. I forget which month, as it's kind of hard to keep track of it. But yeah. I had this model for a while, just haven't had a chance to review it, hence why it's being done here in 2025 now, rather than in 2024. Alright, it's all intact. Okay. That actually doesn't look too bad. Nice. This looks pretty good. We actually have a pretty decent model by GeminiJets. Here we go. This looks... I think it looks pretty good. Yeah. I'd say it looks pretty good. Alright, well, let's take a look at some of the details here. So, taking a look here at the cockpit area, it looks pretty good. I mean, there's some good details, and it says VistaJet right there. And then you have the L1 door with the little One World logo next to it. The smaller American titles and logo right there on this between the two doors, L1 and L2. Some good details all around here. The gear looks pretty good. I will say that's pretty solid looking to me. You got the antenna at the top as well, which is nice. Moving along. There are no overwing exits here, but the IAE engines look pretty good. There's no crazy tilt or anything, so that's nice. Some of the wings look pretty good, and the wingtip fences look good. You got L3 there. Basically, this is kind of acts like an emergency exit, mainly as an emergency exit. That looks really good. Moving along, more antennas and the Wi-Fi dome there, I believe. And it looks all really good. The American flag, registration, and the other little, I guess the little fleet number right there, as well as the aft door. You have the Allegheny title and logo on the tail there. And overall, this area of the aircraft looks pretty good. So here on this side, you got the bulk bin door right there. You have the main cargo door there, and then at the front here, you got the other cargo door. Though this is all usually just used for baggage loading. Maybe some small crates. I'm not sure how this one is configured, but yeah. So that's pretty much it. This side, everything looks good as well. So this is actually a pretty solid model. I'm actually really impressed. We'll take a look at it. Nose on, that looks pretty good. We'll take a look at it top down. Top down, everything looks good. Bottom is plain and simple. The gear is all good. It rolls. Actually not smoothly, no. This one does. This one does not. So no, gear does not roll smoothly, but that's okay. That is a-okay. Yeah, so there we have it. This is the Allegheny Special Livery A321, and it looks really good. This is actually a pretty solid model from GeminiJets. I'm actually impressed. So I'm excited to see what the others have to offer. So, as I say, this is the first of a 4-video sort of series. You're going to see 4 of these back to back with the specials. But yeah, that is going to do it for this one, guys. So if you did enjoy it, smash the like button, subscribe for more mall unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.